So hello folks, today I'm gonna show you my experience with the Smeg bean to cup coffee maker machine. So that's all what we have, like these are the accessories. I've been using this machine for maybe 2 years now, and it's doing a job. It was in the service once, but no complaint, they changed everything which was needed, even the cable which I burned somehow, but they changed it for free, so that is good. So quick assembly. Obviously you have the coffee here, and then space for the water, like easy to refill, and put back on the covers for that. Actually here you can even adjust like the strength of the coffee what you want, I typically keep it on like strength, like I'm kind of an Italian espresso guy, less a French. And then this is like the piece which has the coffee grinded in. Okay, it should be, it's difficult with one hand. That's the tray which gives the used coffee. I just put it in. Yeah, but you have to be careful. Yeah. So this is the overall tray which comes out. You see, so over the years it gets some dirt, and you have to do some serious cleaning if you want to make it all clean. But it doesn't really matter, because you just put this on and then it's all up. So that's the kind of an assembly to the whole thing. Why is this not going on? Give me 1 second. Okay, now it's on. And then I have this lid. This is probably the last piece. And if you see, once you have put that on, oops, crazy, and then you have this LED off, which was showing that there is a problem, and the machine is now warming up, so it will clean itself first. And yeah, you have also this piece for the steam, which you can put there. You see, it gives the steam, and that's like an exercise I do to clean it up like once a week. And here we go. We're all done. You can give it a clean if you want to. That's the only button what you have besides the on off, and that gives you the functionalities, like you have 4 functions: ristretto, espresso, longer coffee, hot water, and if you put it like on the orange one, then you have like different set of coffees what you can, even longer coffee. And what I use is then the steam, to make the coffee. So normally I just use this coffee, and give me 1 sec. So that's I use like a little longer. So that was my bad. And basically this is the kind of crema what it gives. It's alright. And that was bad, like not putting in the right direction, like one-handed. As I told you, I have this option to put the steam on. I have a little milk in it, not much left. But okay, you see the steam has gone. I just show you when you go down like that, and that's how you stop it. That's how you start it. I'm not exactly sure I'm gonna be able to show you how I make this one, but let's give it a try. Okay, so I'll just give you the milk again. I have just very few milk left now, but you can put it in. It will be a relatively nice coffee. So that's it. That's the Smeg coffee machine I have. I hope it was useful for you guys. Have fun.